In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to point a domain to an IP address in GoDaddy in just 5 minutes. If you've ever needed to connect your domain to a hosting service, understanding this process is essential. Whether you're setting up a new website or updating an existing one, these steps will guide you smoothly through the process. First, we're going to start by opening your preferred web browser. Once you've got that up and running, head over to GoDaddy by typing it into the search bar. GoDaddy is one of the most popular domain registrars, and knowing how to navigate its interface will make managing your online presence a lot easier. If you haven't already, make sure to log in with your account credentials. This step is crucial because only registered users can access the domain management options. Once logged in, head straight to your domain manager. This is where you have a comprehensive view of all your domains registered with GoDaddy. If you own multiple domains, don't worry. The list will help you keep track of everything easily. Now, it's time to select the specific domain you wish to point to your IP address. Click on the domain to open the Details panel for it. This panel is where you'll make most of the configurations, so get familiar with the options available here. Next, look for the DNS management option. In GoDaddy, DNS settings are what allow you to control your domain's connection and routing. Clicking on DNS management will open a new set of options where you can add or edit records. At this point, you might be contemplating whether your existing settings are correct. To connect your domain with the right destination, you'll need to add or edit an A record. This type of record is specifically used to associate your domain with an IP address. In this section, you'll need to click on Add New Record. Once there, select A from the Type menu. This step is where you define the host name, which could either be your root domain, often represented by the @ symbol, or a specific subdomain like www or blog. Following this, enter the IP address to which you want your domain to point in the Points to field. This is the destination server's IP address and is crucial for redirecting your domain correctly. You'll also see an option labeled TTL, or Time to Live. This setting tells the server how long it should cache this information. If you're unsure, leaving it at the default setting is generally fine. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. This is what locks in your settings, allowing the changes to propagate across the web. After saving, it might take a little while for the updates to take effect, so don't worry if things don't change instantly. And there you have it. In a few easy steps, you've successfully pointed your domain to an IP address using GoDaddy's interface. This task is an essential skill in managing your digital assets, and now you can handle it confidently. Thank you for tuning in, and happy domain managing.